Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Want this shake? Open Alight motion and add your clip. Open effect. Add tiles. Enable the mirror option. Add a oscillate. Angel 90.0. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. If you want this CC, tell me in the comments. Frequency. Copy my graph. Magnitude. First keyframe, 800. Last keyframe, 0. Copy my graph. Duplicate this effect. Add a directional blur. Angel 90.0. Strength. First keyframe 0.35. Last keyframe 0. Copy my graph. Add motion blur. Tune 150. Add sharpen. Strength 0.87. Add a Gaussian blur. Strength. First keyframe 275. Last keyframe 0. Add a exposure gamma. Exposure. Copy my graph. Add a raster transform. Scale. First keyframe, 1.24. Copy my graph. Thanks for watching the video. What tutorial would you like to see next?